5.9 Cummins oil change and maintenance. Alright, the drain bolt on these is just a regular 3/8 ratchet. The longer the better. Just clips right in there. Now remember, there's 3 gallons in here. If this is your first time doing this, you gotta have enough storage in your container to hold 3 gallons or you're gonna make a monster mess. The oil filter is going to be passenger side front. Right behind the AC pump. I'm going to show you a trick on the easiest way to get this out. Get you the socket. I'll link it in the description below. And 2 extensions or 1 long extension. This will make your life so much easier. Otherwise, you're probably going to have to take the wheel well out to get a set of channel locks on that. There you go. That to me is the cleanest way of doing this. There really is no perfectly clean way. Terrible design. Okay, we'll take the new filter, get some of that old oil, and rub it on this seal. Don't use new oil, it'll break down the seal. Especially if you have long oil change intervals like I do. I don't put a lot of miles on this truck. Lube that seal so it doesn't crack, and then reinstall it the same way you took the old one off. Okay, once that's done, reinstall our drain plug. The torque on that is going to be 35. Okay, oil cap's right here on the top. Now it's just time to fill it with whatever oil you're going to use. I use Shell Rotella T6 full synthetic. Been running this stuff in all my diesels for years. Gonna add 3 gallons. I'll take that out. Reinstall the oil cap. Now we're going to start it, build some oil pressure, and then we'll check it. Right where you want it. Now's a good time to check the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, the coolant. We're going to check the air filter out. That just unclips. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and clean that. Yours probably might not look like this. This is like an aftermarket reusable one. Next we're going to grease the ball joints. There's a Zerk there and a Zerk up there on both sides. Okay, next I'm going to grease all the steering and then the drive shafts. Next I'm going to check the differential fluids. It's also just a 3/8 ratchet. Yeah, it's full right there. I see it. Yeah, that one's full too. Okay, let's do the fuel filter, which is back in there. First thing I like to do is hit this little yellow lever. Drain that puppy out into a container, of course. Next, we'll get our socket. I like this little kit right here, specifically for these little plastic housing things. If you don't want to buy that, this is a 29mm. I will link that kit in the description. Okay, there it is. That's the new one you're going to want to use. I'll link that in the description below. That's the best one for this truck. New one just clips in where the old one clipped out. Slide her in. Okay, I torqued that to 25 foot-pounds. I like to do a few cycles of the key. I just come back here and listen to the fuel pump. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. See it shut off. So then I'll come back. Key off. Key on. I'll do that 3 or 4 times. And then I'll try to start it. Alright, let's see if it'll bang.